second time, 'cause the man don't pay me. I begged my landlord for some more time. He said, son, the bills are waiting. My best friend called me the other night. He said, man, are you crazy? My girlfriend told me to get a life. She said, boy, are you lazy? I don't mind, as long as there's a bed beneath the stars that shine.